you ever wondered why rabies is considered one of the deadliest diseases on the planet? Let's unravel this enigma together. Rabies, an infectious viral disease, targets the nervous system of humans and other mammals. Think about it as an uninvited intruder that forcefully takes over the control room of your body. The insidious nature of rabies is that it's almost always fatal once symptoms appear. It's like a ticking time bomb, with no chance of diffusing once the countdown starts. And how does this lethal invader make its way into our system? Well, it's primarily transmitted through bites and scratches from infected animals. Yes, that seemingly innocent scratch from a stray cat or a dog could be a potential death sentence. The chilling reality is that rabies is a silent killer, lurking in the shadows, striking without warning. Its deadly nature and silent approach make it a formidable foe in the realm of diseases. Rabies, a silent killer, lurks in the shadows, striking without warning. So how do you know if someone is infected with rabies? Well, initially, symptoms of rabies are often similar to those of a common flu. They may include fever, headache, or general discomfort. However, as the disease progresses, the symptoms become more severe and specific to rabies. People infected with rabies may start experiencing insomnia, anxiety, and confusion. Even slight or partial paralysis can occur. One of the most distinct signs of rabies is hydrophobia, an intense fear of water. This fear is so strong that even the thought of drinking can result in spasms of the throat muscles. But here's the catch. These symptoms may not show up until weeks, or even months after the initial infection. This delay often leads to the misconception that the individual is safe, having escaped the disease's grasp. Rabies, a master of disguise, can remain hidden, only to strike when it's too late. Is there a way to prevent this deadly disease? Absolutely, and it starts with responsible pet ownership. Vaccinating our domestic animals, especially dogs and cats, is a crucial step in the fight against rabies. This not only shields them from the disease, but also creates a protective barrier for us humans. But what about wild animals, you may ask? It's simple. Avoid them. Wild animals, particularly bats, raccoons, and foxes, are most often the carriers of rabies. If you stumble upon an injured or sick wild animal, it's best to alert animal control rather than trying to help it yourself. Now, if you believe you've been exposed to rabies through a bite or scratch from an animal, seek immediate medical attention. Cleaning the wound with soap and water can help reduce the risk of infection. Healthcare professionals may also administer post-exposure prophylaxis, a treatment that can prevent the disease from developing. Prevention is the best defense against rabies, a disease with no known cure once symptoms appear. In a nutshell, we've explored the enigma of rabies, a deadly disease transmitted through animal bites and scratches. We've delved into its symptoms and progression, highlighting the unfortunate fact that symptoms may only appear when it's too late. Crucially, we've underlined the importance of prevention. Vaccination, responsible pet ownership, and awareness are our best defense. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is the best defense against the unseen enemy that is rabies.